What exactly is MOQ? And why different suppliers provide a different amount of MOQ? Today, we're going to explain this by using this glass jar. MOQ stands for minimum order quantities. Essentially, it's a minimum amount of products a customer must order for a business to be willing to fulfill the order. Before the production starts, the factory needs to buy raw materials from suppliers. Find labors requires productions, machinery setup and cycle time. All these factors have to be taken into account to ensure that they're able to cover all the costs of productions, plus make a profit. Time equals money. It may not be cost-effective to set up their materials and run the machinery unless they are guaranteed to compensate for a certain amount of units their production runs produce. Take this glass jar for instance. Before production is set in place, we need to spend 6 to 8 hours to install the molding and tune the machines. Just like warming up, the first 300 to 500 pieces of glass jars are probably going to be wasted because we need to tune the machines. Then it gets to the normal production process. For us, making 500 pieces or 10,000 pieces of glass jars requires the same efforts and setup. It's just like a different production lead time. 500 pieces should take less than an hour to produce, whereas 10,000 takes roughly 28 hours. To provide a competitive pricing to our clients, we have to set our MOQ to 10,000 pieces, which is considerably small amounts for making glass containers. At Rhinos, we offer different types of MOQs for glass jars. Non-custom is 2,000 pieces. If it is custom order, it usually requires around 3,000 to 5,000 pieces, depends on how complex the design is. For custom molding, production MOQ starts from 10,000 pieces. Hopefully this answers your question about MOQ. If you have any special needs regarding your packaging, reach out to the team at Rhinos. A packaging design company develops a specific packaging solution just for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next one.